When sales calls are in high volume, it's easy for agents to feel overwhelmed. That's when the supervisor should intervene. Or even before that? Yes, so they can analyze the shift when calls are getting disconnected.
Call monitoring with KrispCall gives you that leverage on every call. Not just to listen to live calls, but even whisper to agents, training them on what to say, and instantly talk to customers on the same call before it disconnects. To coach agents on how conversations are to be handled. Follow these steps to train and coach agents live in KrispCall. Log in to your KrispCall account. On the dashboard, find the active calls that all your agents are involved in. Then, click on Coach under the Action column. The panel expands into multiple options: Listen, Whisper, or Barge. Start with Listen. Hear what's ongoing in the conversation. When the confidence and tone shifts in your agents, click on Whisper.
Guide them on where they can make improvements, enhancements, or a simple tip. Keep whispering, or head back to just listening if you feel the conversation is steady. Further, at any point, if you realize things are going otherwise, click on the Barge option and take the lead on the conversation yourself. When the coaching part is complete, you can leave the conversation at any point. Start coaching live with KrispCall on any calls. Train your agents, telling them how they should respond, or simply showing them by handling it yourself. Ready to start live call monitoring? Visit KrispCall.com and book your demo today.